here it is, hidden from the world, and we enter the outer grotto. Listen, the sound of constant. Every cavern has a river. This is the walls here hold the echoes of every sound you have ever heard. The cavern is lined with geodes, full of hidden beauty. We gently.
Time has caused small stones to fall, blocking the path.
Look, we have reached it, the great crystal chamber, the very heart.
Listen. The crystals have a song. In the center of the chamber is the pool of silence. Gaze into it.
It is time to return, but you